The final electoral rolls for the 16 district council constituencies in West Jaintia Hills were distributed today to political party representatives in Jawai in the presence of Additional Deputy Commissioner Election D.V. Lingdo. The 16 constituencies include areas like Amvi, Clay Tirshi, Mukla Umulong and Jawai North and South. Lingdo reminded political parties that February 3rd is the last day for filing nominations and voting will take place on February 21st with counting scheduled for February 24th. Representatives were also briefed on the model code of conduct which will guide the election process.
Model code of conduct for the guidance of political parties and candidates during the election to the District Council 2025. Tingi don niki kot ki bangin akan kre nanta tingin IGP shishi copy nang banyo ban guide mo yaka political parties joki bat kum jo ki candidates ki ban yakun na kan election ka ban wan no te hangni ki la download ki kendon ki do's and don'ts ki ba fide ban le bat ki ba fim de ban le no te ki la download ki do's and don'ts no bha ban pek bini ay kani ban puli bha nang ba pinyo ban guides ya la ki jong ki candidates.
Uttarakhand Chief Minister